Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste.
Choose your fighter. Fight.
Knockout. You win.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney, but I go by Young and Kinky here on YouTube. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. Hey, hey, hey. If you are not new here, welcome back, girl. How you been? I missed you. How you been doing? Hope you still staying safe. So anyways, this is a 3-in-1 get ready with me. I have a little quarantine date, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup, my hair, and picking out a really cute outfit. So I just got out the shower and I'm just moisturizing my face with some sunscreen because that is my favorite kind of moisturizer. And now I'm just going to get ready for my wig application. I'm just going to be using this cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. And then I'm going to follow it up with this little strap thingy. I don't know what you call it. But basically it helps your wig not slide back. And I don't really glue my wigs down or anything. And some of them don't have bands in them to hold it down. So that just makes sure it doesn't slip away. And this is my lovely, beautiful wig, hair provided as always from my company, My Pretty Girl. And as you can see, I've worn it a few times, so the glue with the baby hairs is kind of like stuck there. But I'm just going to be combing this out. This wig was made for me by a wig maker and she dyed it too, but I like to think the color is like a little Cajun spice and it's perfect and I love it. This hair is beautiful. It does not tangle. It has minimal shedding. So now I'm just going to be going in with my Got To Be mousse that I got from my local beauty supply store. I didn't even know they had mousse. I just saw it and got it. And I'm going to be laying down my edges.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. Baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play.
Y'all, I am so bad at freaking edges. I hate how I do my edges. I be trying to get them so cute every time, but like, whew, the struggle is real.
In the dark at night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the
So now I'm actually going to be laying these edges down, give them a second to breathe. With this little scarf that, again, I got from my local beauty supply store. It's a few dollars. Hey. Now I'm going to be going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I'm going to be taking my angled brush and it is time to do these brows, honey.
Shawty, don't play that game.
Now I'm going in with my MAC concealer and I'm going to be carving out my brows. I usually do just the bottom, but sometimes, like if I'm doing like a full face of makeup, then I'll do the top too. Now I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in this orange color, and now I'm going to be concealing my dark circles because I hate them. And then I like to take it across my nose and then the perimeters of my mouth as well. Basically anywhere that I would like to color correct, I put this stuff on. I've been using this for years and I love it. Now I'm taking my beauty blender, that's the Fenty beauty blender, and I'm going to be blending that in first.
Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play
And now for concealer, I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. This is a gift to me and I absolutely love it. It is so, just the coverage is just amazing. And normally I'll put my foundation on before I do concealer, but since we are still in, you know, quarantine and everything, I don't put on foundation because I wear a mask outside. So I usually just do my makeup from like my nose up, so my eyes, my eyebrows, lashes and stuff like that. Like, I'm not putting on foundation just for it to rub off on a damn mask. Like, that's just such a waste. So anyways, I'm going to be highlighting my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. And now I'm going to be going in with this MAC concealer, and this is a little bit lighter than, you know, what I would normally use, but I like to use it when I'm trying to, you know, conceal my eyes really well. And now I'm taking my rainbow fan and I'm going to get my concealer to dry down just a little bit because it blends out so much easier when it's a little bit dry versus you just putting it on and then trying to blend it out, you know. So then I like to work my way up. So I'm doing my cupid's bow, my nose, and then I'm going to blend up my eyes with that same foundation, not foundation, with that same beauty blender.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that.
And now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite powder to use. It's the only powder that I really use. And first I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eyes and my eyelids. Just press that in just to set the concealer that I put on. And then I'm going to go back and bake.
At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party wet, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty don't play that game, Shawty don't play that game. I won't keep you safe, time that I'll be okay. Don't play that game, Shawty don't play that game.
So it is lash time, and y'all, I was the worst at putting on lashes, but this little trick that I learned, oh my god, it is such a game changer. I literally throw my lashes on and go. So what you do is you get some lash adhesive with the wand on it, like liquid eyeliner, and you brush that onto your eye, and then you put the lash on. You don't have to wait for it to dry or anything. Like, y'all, when I tell you I be throwing my lashes on and going like nobody's business, y'all have got to try this. Like, it is so much easier than putting the glue on the lash and then trying to get the lash on. I'm telling you, please try it. So now we're going to dust away all that powder so we're not looking too pale. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I did this off camera with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And now with my Makeup Forever palette that I created, I'm going to be choosing one of those highlighters. I think I used the one on the left, the lighter one. And I'm going to be highlighting my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, you know, stuff like that.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I?
Now it is time to do my hair. Right now I'm just brushing it out just to make sure there are absolutely no tangles. And surprise, there weren't, because this hair is awesome. Y'all, please check out this hair. The link is in my description box so you can get 15% off plus free shipping, honey. Okay, on your first order, no matter what you get, there is no minimum. It is always 15% off plus free shipping.
I'ma make it loud how I
So
make
now
you
I'm just gonna
scream
go
like a
ahead and put some
cockatoo.
curls in my hair. And honestly, I was kind of rushing, so I didn't really have time to do curls that I wanted to do because I was kind of running late for my date. So I just tried to put some cute curls in it just to frame my face a little bit, you know, do something cute. And I am singing and blending my makeup out from where my hair scarf was.
Time that I'll be okay. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Don't keep you safe. Time that I'll be okay. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that game.
This lipstick is the Makeup Forever lipstick. I don't know the exact shade. I will try and flash it across the screen or something like that. But I love this lipstick. I don't know. It's not too dark, but it's not too light. And then I'm going to go over that with this nude shade from Milk. This is a blush, but it can also be a lipstick. So I usually use it as a lipstick because it's kind of light for me to be a blush. But this is my finished makeup look. Ew, how I look. And now it is time to pick out my outfit. This is the outfit I chose. Hey, hey, get it, girl. Hey.
I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than
And here is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, please, please consider supporting me and my channel and smashing that subscribe button. Again, thank you so much. And I am off to my date. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all next Thursday at 4 p.m. Okay? Bye.
I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do.